An Old Testament saint could not be born again. Under the first dispensation of the Holy Spirit that we spoke about, you could not be born again, you could not be filled, indwelled with the Holy Spirit, spiritually reborn. Why? Because it's before the atonement of Jesus. Jesus hadn't been born then. So when an Old Testament saint died, they went into paradise. Paradise being defined as a place of blessing. Jesus said to the thief next to him on the cross, "Today you will be with me in paradise." We also know from scriptures that Jesus didn't ascend unto the Father for quite a few days. When Mary Magdalene tried to touch Jesus after the resurrection, she was one of the first people to see Jesus. Jesus immediately told her, "Do not touch me, because I haven't ascended unto my Father as yet." So the day Jesus died on that cross, and he said to the thief, "You will be with me in paradise," Jesus descended into hell, Sheol, or Hades. And he basically went and he took the captives there, captive. All the Old Testament saints that died, David, Solomon, the major prophets, they were all kept in Abraham's bosom. Jesus went in those 3 days after his death. He descended into hell. He stripped Satan of the keys of death and hell, all authority. He preached to the captives. He took those captives with him. He took all of the people, the Old Testament saints that were in Abraham's bosom, Abraham, Noah, all of them. He took them with him unto the Father, into heaven.